Hi everybody, and welcome to a CRayneG vlog. It is the VIB Sephora sale, so like the holiday season sale, and I just figured, let me turn down this music, but I figured, like, why not just vlog us going and picking up some stuff? But I have a couple of stops to make first. I have to go pick up doubles from my friend, then we'll head over to the mall and get shopping. Here we go. The Green Clean Makeup Remover. I think it's this one.
Oh, like the little balm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Currently use tan 66, but we're gonna try tan 60 to see, because I always use so much concealer when I do this. Of course, because I was at the mall, I had to get bubble tea. I'll go home and I'll show you guys everything I got. Okay? Okay, you guys, it is the following day. I did my hair. I'm actually going right now to get my hair done. My hairdresser, she's like, I want to try something. I want to do some tape and extensions on you, and I want to use you as a model. So although I love my short hair, and if I wanted to grow my hair out long, that's definitely something I could do. I love my short hair. But we are going to be getting some extensions today. But anyways, you guys are here for the Sephora hauls. I just wanted to show you everything that I got really quickly. I'm going to do like an in-depth video on the products and what I got, how I use them, when I use them in another video. Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker Instant Warmth Bronzer. I got that in the color Cocoa Naughty. This is a re-up for me. I've been using this for a number of years. The foundation that I'm actually wearing today, and you guys will be shocked, it's the Kat Von D Good Apple Foundation in Tan 66. Love this foundation, you guys, but you have to use it with a beauty blender. You cannot apply it with a brush, and you really have to shear it out, or else it can get quite, it is full coverage. Milk Makeup Hydro Grip. This is a staple for me. I use this on days when I don't do full makeup and I'm just doing like light makeup. I have a different primer that I use when I'm doing full makeup, the one that I use today. That's a re-up as well. The Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This is a great hydrator for your face if you have dry skin. I was introduced to this by one of the girls at Sephora, and I absolutely love it, and it is a must-have for me. So I still have like half a bottle, but I always try to re-up during the sales. Next, Caudalie Cleansing Almond Milk. This is one of the steps in my skincare routine that I do every single day. Absolutely love this product. Been using it for a number of years now. I would say probably like 3 or 4 years, and it is going absolutely nowhere for me. Another step in my skincare routine at nighttime, or a couple times during the week, I'd say like 3 times during the week, I use the Carl Hansen Transform H2O Dark Spot Toner. I use this, like I was saying, about 3 times a week. I have another hydrating toner that I use, although I didn't have to pick that one up. Next, I use this every day. I use this when I blow dry my hair. I used it today. I have a bottle that I just got of this, but still, this is the Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense. Introduced to this by my hairdresser, not the hairdresser I'm seeing today, but the hairdresser that actually does my short hair. And this is an amazing heat protectant, you guys. If you flat iron your hair, use hot tools on your hair, definitely suggest this. Just saw this in the store, you guys. This is the Moroccan Oil Shower Gel. I live in essentially a desert, but it's also cold here, and my skin has been very dry lately, so I think I need to change my shower gel. So I'm gonna give this one a try. I also bought one from the Body Shop. I gave it a try today. Didn't love the scent of it, so I'm gonna try this one. This one also comes, this is the original scent. This one also comes in an amber scent. I usually like amber scents, so I might have to try that. just some small items. Sephora mascara. I always get this Sephora mascara. It's what I'm using today. But you guys know I like my lilac streak lashes when I want like big full lashes. Sharpener for my lip liner. The other primer that I got, there is some controversy around this primer, but I was introduced to this by a makeup artist. She used it on me and I used it today. Unfortunately, I really do like the product. I have looked for alternatives, but I can't find anything that I love just as much as this. And this is the Natasha Denota Skin Glass. You guys, in terms of primer, if you have dry skin, this is so good. Like so good. I couldn't use this like when I'm traveling in Barbados, but I definitely love this for when I am in Calgary. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry I'm like flying through this. I was supposed to leave my house like, I don't know, a little while ago. So I wanted to finish this video before like my hair changed and whatever. So that's why I'm like trying to get this done before I leave. The pharmacy milk, I can speak, you guys. Pharmacy Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I use this every single night to take off my makeup. Absolutely love this stuff. Been using it for a number of years. Gets all the gunk and goop off in terms of like my first step in my skincare routine. So I absolutely love that. That's going nowhere and that's a re-up. I have like I think I have like maybe a quarter of a bottle left of that. So that's definitely a re-up. So I do have a couple of items that I'm gonna have to purchase online because they didn't have them in the store. So those items are, I want the new Charlotte Tilbury brightening setting powder. I use the original setting powder from, the pressed setting powder from Charlotte Tilbury, but I've heard great things about the brightening ones on TikTok and stuff like that. So I need to get my hands on that. So I'm gonna have to order that online. There was concealer brush that I was looking at that sold out, but I kind of like now thinking about it, I don't really need a concealer brush. I just need to wash the brushes that I have. So I'm going to probably forego that. And then I do need my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. That is a staple for me. I've been in love with Charlotte Tilbury's products recently. I've got the bronzer from her, like the big bronzer, you guys. I absolutely love that. I bought that during the Friends and Family sale, and I'm absolutely in love with that bronzer. It's so good, so creamy, so nice. I'm wearing it today, you guys. But since I'm in love with Charlotte Tilbury, I thought that now was the time for me to try out the Airbrush Flawless foundation. I got that in the color Neutral 10. I'm gonna give this a try. I haven't tried it yet. I always find that like the color match is a little bit off when the girls do it in the store, just because like they have different techniques and they use different brushes and things like that. So I will try that out and I'll let you guys know in like the longer form video. I'll probably use that in the longer form video to see if I like that. In terms of concealer, I have been going back and forth between the Kat Von D and the Dior, but I do find myself leaning more towards the Kat Von D. I'm wearing that today, so I did pick up another one of, it's not even Kat Von D anymore, you guys. What is KVD? Oh my gosh. So I told you the other one was Kat Von D, but KV Good Apple concealer in medium 141. That's the color that I use. That's the color I'm wearing today. Definitely gives me that bright under eye look that I like to go for. So definitely like this one. It's one of the only concealers I feel like has the right undertone for that bright under eye look for my skin tone, because I do have like an olive undertone, you guys. Then just on my way out, I saw this Morphe blush balm. I really like cream products, you guys. I find that with my dry skin, they end up working much better for me. So this is the Morphe blush balm soft focus cream blush, and I got that in Mighty Mauve. I have another one from, where is it from? I have another blush that I'm wearing actually today, and from Moret. And I like it, but I find that it gets really sheer. So I wanted to see if this would be a good alternative. Anyways, you guys, let me know what you think of my little haul here. I'll be uploading some of my other items up onto my Instagram and my TikTok, so make sure you're following me over there. And I hope you guys enjoyed the VIB sale. See ya!